Ladies and gentlemen, please come our chief guest to the event, Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Conrad Sangma.
Myntri Rangbah Jylla Conrad K Sangma ha ka janmiet katei tarik nohprah Hiar Sha Pynursla ban leit Pynbna ki tylli ki projek na bynta katei constituency but na bynta katei Thain riwar baroh kawei. Kitei ki projek ki bau Myntri Rangbah Pynbna ha katei sngi rengkat ka jingedon lang usimbot Myntri Rangbah Jylla badeiru MLA ka Thain ba prestun tinsong nang ta Myntri ka tanah transport ba dasakyat lamare ki kentup yo mau nongrim bantai no ek mini secretariat nang tayo ka office tray kam bathamai jo kan CNRD block bantai ka school bapau nam hakari ka Ekalavya model residential school ka football stadium hawa lingkhat nang tayo ka Pynursla division jang ka PWD roads badru ka jing Pynbna ya ka riwar college kum ka people's college ne ka college ka ban kershan lang da ka sarkar Conrad Sangma baru prestun tensong kila samru eka song pisa ka ba lai pulai point sau pau lak tingka lingba ka focus plus shakin riu spa an riu pratali ki longyeng nang ta kawei point lai pun riu klur tingka shaki kendai spa san pau tli ki SHG but prapau tli ki village organization la samru iki kuns nyang bat ki kuns yar shaki nong yo jing Myntoi hakate ka jingyalang ka balalong hamadan Pynursla.
When we had taken over the government in 2018, we had a great challenge in terms of economic reforms that we had to do. We were one of the states with the lowest gross domestic product as GDP in the entire country. In fact, we ranked at the bottom. But it is a commitment of each and every person working in the government, the entire team, the entire machinery, in spite of COVID challenge that we face, that in the year 2021-2022, Meghalaya recorded one of the highest growths in gross domestic product compared to any other state in the country. In fact, we had a growth rate of almost 8.5% in spite of the COVID challenges we faced. And that growth has brought our GDP ranking today from being at the bottom. Today we are in the top 20 within 5 years. And I'm hoping that as we move along and as we work and as we take our state forward with complete commitment to each and every citizen of our state, we will achieve our goal of being in the top 10 states in the next 5 years. And it is with this commitment and the spirit and this goal that we are working and why we are here today.